Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a low Google PageSpeed score on your Shopify store. If your store loads slowly or receives a poor performance score in Google PageSpeed Insights, don't worry. There are several simple improvements you can make that often have a noticeable impact. Let's walk through the process. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then click Themes and select Customize on your live theme. Review your homepage carefully and remove any sections you no longer use, such as extra slideshows, large banners, videos, or promotional blocks. Every section adds more content that visitors need to download, so keeping your homepage clean can improve loading speed and your page speed score. Next, optimize your images before uploading them to Shopify. Large, high-resolution images are one of the most common reasons for poor performance scores. Resize images to the dimensions you actually need and compress them so they load faster while still looking sharp. Smaller image files help both desktop and mobile performance. Another important step is reviewing your installed apps. Go to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels. If you have apps you no longer use, uninstall them. Many Shopify apps add JavaScript or CSS files to your storefront, and having too many can slow down your pages. Keeping only the apps you actively need helps reduce unnecessary loading time. If you've added custom code to your theme, go to Online Store, click the three-dot menu beside your theme, and choose Edit Code. Remove any unused scripts or tracking codes that were added by old apps or previous customizations. If you're unsure about editing code, create a backup of your theme first before making changes. After making these improvements, open your store in a private or incognito browser window and browse a few pages to make sure everything loads correctly. Then, run your website through Google PageSpeed Insights again to compare your updated score with the previous result. Performance improvements may take a little time to reflect, so don't be concerned if the score doesn't change immediately. It's also a good idea to limit the number of custom fonts and avoid autoplay videos unless they're essential. Too many fonts, animations, and large media files can increase loading time, especially on mobile devices where internet connections may be slower. Remember that Google PageSpeed measures many factors, including image optimization, JavaScript execution, layout stability, and server response. Shopify already provides fast hosting, so your biggest improvements usually come from optimizing your theme and reducing unnecessary resources. Finally, make performance testing a regular habit. Every time you install a new app or make major design changes, run another PageSpeed test. This helps you catch slowdowns early and keeps your store performing well as it grows. And that's it. That's how to improve a low Google PageSpeed score on Shopify. By keeping your theme lightweight, optimizing images, removing unused apps, and cleaning up unnecessary code, you can build a faster store that provides a better experience for your customers. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.